Welcome to Longevity Insights. In today's program, we're discussing the critical role of gut health in overall well-being and how processed foods may be silently undermining it. While processed foods have become a staple in many diets due to their convenience and availability, the ingredients used in these foods, especially in the US, can severely impact our digestive system. Shockingly, some additives and preservatives commonly found in US processed foods are not even legal in other countries. Today, we'll explore 5 critical ways processed foods affect our gut health, focusing on the hidden risks and offering insights into how we can protect our digestive system. Let's begin by understanding how these foods interact with the gut microbiome, the ecosystem that balances our digestive system.
1. Processed foods disrupt the gut microbiome. Your gut microbiome, consisting of trillions of bacteria, is essential for digestion, immune health, and mental well-being. However, many processed foods contain artificial additives and preservatives that disrupt this ecosystem. Ingredients like artificial sweeteners, aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and high-fructose corn syrup, HFCS, harm beneficial gut bacteria. HFCS, commonly used in U.S. products, feeds harmful bacteria, leading to digestive imbalances, bloating, and long-term health issues like metabolic disorders. Solution: avoid products with artificial sweeteners and HFCS, which are often found in sodas, candies, and diet products. Instead, choose natural sweeteners like honey or stevia, and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. 2. High sugar content feeds. Harmful bacteria. Many processed foods, especially in the U.S., are high in added sugars. This excess sugar can promote the growth of harmful gut bacteria, leading to imbalances in your gut microbiome. Over time, these imbalances contribute to metabolic disorders like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Solution: read food labels carefully and avoid products with high amounts of sugar, especially HFCS. Opt for foods naturally low in sugar, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 3. Processed foods are typically low in fiber, a critical nutrient for gut health. Fiber helps feed beneficial gut bacteria, promotes regular bowel movements, and strengthens the gut barrier, which protects against harmful pathogens. Without adequate fiber, the gut becomes vulnerable to inflammation and digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Solution: avoid processed foods that lack fiber and choose whole, fiber-rich alternatives like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These foods help nourish your gut bacteria and maintain a healthy digestive system. 4. Artificial additives and preservatives cause inflammation. Many processed foods contain artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives like BHT, BHA, and sodium benzoate, which can cause gut inflammation. These chemicals irritate the gut lining and have been linked to conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and leaky gut syndrome. Some of these preservatives are banned in other countries but are still used in the U.S. Solution: avoid foods with artificial additives and preservatives. Look for products labeled preservative-free, or choose fresh, whole foods that don't require preservatives. Opt for natural food sources such as fresh fruits and vegetables and foods with minimal processing. 5. Processed fats disrupt gut integrity. Unhealthy fats like trans fats and additives like brominated vegetable oil, BVO, are commonly found in processed foods such as fried snacks, margarine, and some sodas. These ingredients can weaken the gut lining, leading to leaky gut syndrome, where toxins and bacteria pass through the gut wall into the bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation. Solution: avoid products that list trans fats or BVO on their labels. Choose healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, which support gut health and reduce inflammation.
So here is my conclusion. Processed foods can seriously affect gut health, primarily due to harmful ingredients like artificial sweeteners, HFCS, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. To protect your digestive system, it is essential to avoid these ingredients and focus on a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods that provide fiber and healthy nutrients. By making informed food choices, you can support a healthier gut, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall well-being. Make these small changes today, and your gut will thank you tomorrow. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on health and longevity at Longevity Insights.